Industrial environments are essential to our modern world. They are also places of inherent risk. Factories, warehouses, and plants house a combustible mix of machinery, flammable materials, and electrical systems. A single spark can ignite a catastrophe, jeopardizing lives and livelihoods. Fire safety is not just a regulatory requirement, it is a moral imperative. We must protect the individuals who drive these industries. Effective fire safety involves a multi-pronged approach. This includes rigorous preventative measures, comprehensive training programs, and readily available, appropriate fire suppression equipment. Among these, CO2 fire extinguishers stand out as indispensable tools for combating industrial fires. Their rapid deployment and unique mechanism make them ideally suited to tackle the specific fire hazards present in these settings. By understanding the crucial role of CO2 extinguishers in industrial fire safety, we contribute to a safer and more secure future for all. Not all fires are created equal. Different substances combust in different ways, requiring specific extinguishing agents for effective suppression. CO2 fire extinguishers excel in combating Class B and Class C fires, the most common types found in industrial settings. Class B fires involve flammable liquids such as gasoline, oil, and paint, often found in industrial processes. Class C fires involve energized electrical equipment, a ubiquitous hazard in industrial facilities. CO2 extinguishers effectively combat these fires by rapidly displacing oxygen, a key component in the fire triangle. Unlike water-based extinguishers, CO2 does not conduct electricity, making it safe for use on energized electrical equipment. Furthermore, CO2 extinguishers leave no residue, minimizing damage to sensitive machinery and reducing downtime after a fire event. CO2 fire extinguishers operate on the fundamental principle of fire suppression, disrupting the fire triangle. This triangle represents the three essential elements for combustion: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Remove any one of these elements and the fire will be extinguished. CO2 attacks the oxygen leg of the triangle. Stored as a pressurized liquid within the extinguisher, CO2 is released as a cold gas upon activation. This gas, being heavier than air, rapidly displaces the oxygen surrounding the fire, effectively suffocating it. The cooling effect of the CO2 also helps to reduce the heat of the fire, further aiding in the extinguishing process. This method of fire suppression makes CO2 extinguishers particularly suitable for enclosed spaces where the gas can effectively displace the oxygen and extinguish the fire more rapidly. Section 4. Anatomy of a lifesaver. Components of a CO2 extinguisher. A CO2 fire extinguisher might seem simple, but it is a precision-engineered tool with several vital components. Understanding these components is essential for proper use and maintenance. The cylinder is the main body of the extinguisher, containing the pressurized CO2. The handle and lever are used to activate the extinguisher, releasing the CO2. The safety pin prevents accidental discharge. The discharge hose and nozzle direct the flow of CO2 toward the fire. The pressure gauge indicates the internal pressure and whether the extinguisher is charged. Regular inspection of these components is crucial to ensure the extinguisher is in proper working order. Section 5. CO2 to the rescue. Advantages in industrial environments. The unique properties of CO2 make these extinguishers particularly advantageous in industrial settings. Here are some key benefits. Effective on Class B and C fires, they're ideal for flammable liquids and electrical fires common in industrial environments. Being non-conductive, they're safe for use on energized electrical equipment, which is a crucial safety factor in industrial settings. CO2 is a clean extinguishing agent, leaving no residue, minimizing damage to equipment and reducing cleanup time. With rapid suppression, CO2 quickly displaces oxygen, effectively suffocating the fire. These extinguishers have versatile applications, making them suitable for a wide range of industrial environments, from manufacturing plants to warehouses. By understanding and utilizing the advantages of CO2 fire extinguishers, industrial facilities can significantly enhance their fire safety protocols.